Tonight we're looking at desertification and what happens with positive treatment of the desert, and I'm looking at examples in Qatar and in the Gulf states where a man called Heatherwell is designing parks. Now, one of the reasons I'm doing that is that I want to bring the discussion back to the Hawke's Bay and to look at things like Ruataniwha and the way the water table is being abused really over there, and how that in its own way relates to desertification. So these are some of the topics tonight, and it's looking very, very interesting, and of course every night is different because of the calls coming in. Kei te mihi hau ki a koutou katoa e hono hono mai I te whārani ipurani tēnā rawa te koutou ina hoki he tino pai rawa atu etahi o wā koutou anō nā tono. Nā reira koutou mako piripiri tēnei mihi atu i te whakare uiringangi o rangitāni I tēnei wā.